Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and we're back with another video. And today is gonna be a breakfast ride and then maybe a lunch ride, not sure. We're gonna meet up with a few of our friends. We're gonna have breakfast, we're gonna ride for lunch, and I'm gonna take you guys along. We're going to a place called Nandi Upachar and then maybe go to Big Bay. Now I'm using a new filter. It's called polarizer. It comes with the LED filter pack that I got for my camera. So I'm gonna change it to ND16 soon, after having my breakfast or something. But then I just wanted to try this CPL out, the camera polarizer. And I haven't ridden this bike in a while. It's been more than a month, to be honest. So I think Nandi Upachar is about few more kilometers away. It's one of the most visited places by bikers and supercars and cars. I don't know, people who go for morning rides, they usually visit that place a lot because it's on the way and it's a pretty good spot for having your breakfast. Do check my channel out if you're new. All pretty fun, good, chill and peaceful. Not really peaceful, if you know what I mean. Pretty good videos to binge on, so do check that out. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. It's really helpful. Few people have been asking me about my next bike. Even I'm not sure when I'm gonna get it, so we'll have to wait and see. There's a pretty good amount of time before I get my next bike. When I say pretty good amount of time, it's gonna be either very soon or very late, so I'm not really sure. I think Nandi Upachar is close by. I'll have to check my maps. Oh, would you look at that? Nice. What happened over here? We're here finally. God damn it. Hi Macha. Hi bro. Nice to meet you, bro. Yellow no? Hi Macha. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋತಾರೆ? ಹಾಂ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು? Alright guys, we just left Nandi Upachar after I got my petrol, gas, whatever you want to call it. Now we are on our way to Big Bay for lunch. So yeah, we have about 6 7 people. I forgot to count. But yeah, we have a good amount of people. And I'm gonna show you all the bikes at Big Bay. We have 2 Himalayans, one Ninja 300, a Triumph, and a Royal Enfield GT650, and my 650 bike. Pretty good today, pretty good. Nice weather and all that. Hell yeah! Is pretty high. Let's see how the mic does. Oh, the hills. Beautiful. We're here. Bam. I thought it was gonna be more farther, but okay, I guess. Alright, we're here at Big Bay. Boys, say hi. We were supposed to have another 650, but he couldn't make it because he was sleeping. ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ನೋ ಹಿಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಲಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮಚ್ಚ ದಿಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್. ಓ ಹೊಡೆದ ಫುಲ್ ಫ್ಲೈ ಬೈ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದ. ನನಗೆ ಭಯ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಜಗ್ಗಂತ ಬಂದ ನನಗೆ ಭಯ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. We just gonna have something for lunch. I don't know anything over here. We're just gonna have something and then we'll leave home. So yeah, this is Big Bay. I think if you want to check out my video when I first came here, I'll put that link down in the description below. You can check that out too. But yeah, I'll stop the vlog here. I'll continue if I find anything interesting. Yeah, so see you guys later.